Have you ever pondered the mystery behind those YouTubers who seem to be raking in a fortune? How does a simple video platform transform into a goldmine? Well, it's not as cryptic as it seems. Today, we unravel the process of making money on YouTube step by step. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that YouTube isn't just a video sharing platform, it's an opportunity to share ideas, to entertain, to inform, and yes, to earn. The path to profitability on YouTube is like a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. That first step, creating engaging content. In the vast universe of YouTube, content is king. The quality and relevance of your videos are what attract viewers and keep them coming back for more. Craft content that resonates with your audience, that provides value, and most importantly, that stands out from the crowd. Once you've built a library of compelling content, it's time to grow your audience. Remember, a large and loyal audience is the key to unlocking YouTube's treasure chest. Use tools like social media, collaborations, and keyword optimization to increase your reach and attract more viewers to your channel. Now, with a solid foundation of content and an expanding audience, you can start unlocking YouTube's monetization features. This is where the magic happens. YouTube offers several ways to earn money, including ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and YouTube Premium revenue. Ad revenue is the most common way YouTubers make money. It comes from ads displayed on your videos and you get a cut of the revenue. However, to qualify for ad revenue, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Channel memberships allow your fans to pay a monthly recurring fee for special perks like badges, new emojis, and access to exclusive videos. It's a great way to create a closer connection with your audience while also boosting your income. The merchandise shelf is a feature that allows you to showcase your channel's merchandise right under your video. This can be anything from t-shirts to mugs to posters, and you earn money with every purchase. Lastly, YouTube Premium revenue comes from premium subscribers who watch your content. Even though they pay to watch videos ad-free, you still get a share of their subscription fee. To summarize, making money on YouTube is a process that involves creating engaging content, growing your audience, and utilizing YouTube's monetization features. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with persistence, creativity, and a little bit of strategy, it can turn into a lucrative profession. So the next time you hit upload on that video, remember you're not just sharing a moment, you're building a potential business.